If you want to make your CapCut video look darker, moodier, and more cinematic, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a dark effect in CapCut using simple color adjustment settings and a Moody filter. This is perfect for creating dramatic edits, aesthetic reels, storytelling videos, and content that needs a more intense visual style. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing guides. Let's get into it. First, open your project in CapCut and select the video clip on your timeline. This is important because all of the changes we make need to be applied to the correct clip. Once the clip is selected, look at the upper right panel and click on the video, then choose Basic. Depending on your CapCut layout, you may also see a dedicated adjustment tab, so if that appears, click that instead. Now scroll down until you find the adjustment section. Here is where we start building the dark effect manually. The goal is to reduce the bright areas, deepen the shadows, and make the overall video feel richer and more moody. Start by adjusting brightness or exposure. Lower this slightly to darken the clip without making it look completely underexposed. Next, reduce the highlights so the brightest parts of the video don't stand out too much. Then lower the shadows a little to create a deeper, more dramatic look. After that, increase the contrast so the darker and lighter areas separate more clearly. This gives the video that bold cinematic feeling. You can also add a little sharpen if you want the details to stay crisp after darkening the image. Take your time with these settings and preview the clip as you go. The exact numbers can change depending on the lighting in your footage, so there is no single perfect value for every video. If your clip was already bright, you may need to bring brightness down more. If it was shot in low light, just make smaller adjustments so the video still looks clean and usable. The best dark effect is one that looks intentional, not accidental. You want it to feel stylized, not blurry or washed out. Once the base adjustment is done, the next step is to add a Moody filter for extra atmosphere. Go to the top left panel and click on Filters. From there, browse the filter options or use the search bar to look for Berlin or other Moody Vibes filters. These are great choices because they naturally support a darker, more emotional look. When you find a filter you like, drag it onto the timeline above your video so it applies to the clip. After the filter is added, set its strength to 100% if you want the full dark effect. If that feels too strong for your footage, you can lower it slightly, but 100% is usually the best place to start when you want a bold look. Once again, preview the result and check whether the colors still look natural enough for your content. If the image becomes too heavy, you can always go back and slightly raise the brightness or reduce the contrast until it looks balanced. The combination of manual adjustment and a Moody filter is what really makes the dark effect stand out in CapCut. The adjustment tools help you control the image precisely, while the filter adds style and consistency. Together, they create a professional-looking edit that works especially well for cinematic clips, fashion videos, travel content, and short-form videos designed to grab attention fast. And that's how to add a dark effect in CapCut video. It's a simple process, but when you use the right settings, the result can completely transform the mood of your edit. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.